guys, so welcome back to another episode. We are gonna do something today. So today was Saturday, December what?
6.
I think I 6 yeah.
Or 7.
One of them. Remember. Yeah, December 6th. So we made an Amazon purchase and we're going to go ahead and have it set up today. So we bought a drip irrigation system for our garden because honestly guys, just if you get up every day and walk around the whole yard and water, but you can't just sprinkle and go to one next one. You have to constantly stand there and wait for a while till the whole soil saturated and whatever. So to make our load lighter and for us to be able to do more content and get everything done at a faster pace, we are cutting out watering like that. So we're gonna set up our drip irrigation. So all of the pieces them there, so more still in here, so
$1,000,001 pieces.
right. So we're gonna try to figure this out for today and have it set up. You guys remember the pipe that we installed for the hose? That's the pipe that we're gonna use for this today actually. So I'm gonna test out the connector part to go on it and such. Let me see if I can tell you guys the parts. I never set up a drip irrigation, but when I was in college, I normally use some of my time, I think. But let's go through the pieces. So, what is? These are zip ties, you know that already. This. Fossil connector. Faucet, but a L there at the end. Yeah, fossil connector. This is a faucet connector. I think this is another faucet connector. I think that's what is one of this. Punching device. So you don't have to actually buy stuff to use. Ooh, it comes with everything. So these are faucet connectors. This is a fossil connector. This is the punching tool. You have two sides, so this big one and this small one. This is a pipe cutter. These are spray emitters, figured more or less. Quick connector. These are stream emitters. These blue ones are vortex emitters. You know what that means? This is the, let me see which size this, because they're two different size, guys. I think these are the 1/4 inch branch line drip tube. That's at the 1/4 inch. Yeah. But this look longer than that. Anyways, so this must have the mainline drip tubing, and this one is the branching line drip tube. These are more faucet connectors. Different faucet connector though. Oh my days. These are, let me see. I think these are nozzle connectors or nozzle tees. No, drip tees. Which I saw them look. Ooh. And these are pipe clamping rings. So two at the bottom. So this is a two-way coupler. A coupler would have it? 4-way coupler. think that's all, and it came with Teflon tape. What else? Somebody look at something, guys. We can't see all of them. I think he moved some of them already. But it comes with everything that you need. And here's how it will look, how it will set up. Yeah. So let's get into connecting everything. Well, figuring it out. So hope you guys enjoy this. I know we ate.
I suppose these are them figure.
We're not even watching a YouTube video how to do this.
I know. So this is the main line and then this is the turn off line, whatever. So these were them figure where you go put them. Or where you go run it to first.
Oh, these are the
yes. It is.
Okay. So white blue one them for?
Same thing. I just guessing the spray a bit different.
So we're gonna put these where we want to put them. I'll just go around and show you guys where we actually put them after. So yeah, we're also going to set these ones, guys, the blue ones. Yeah, so as I said, I'm gonna show you guys where I put them. Alright guys, so put one here, one down there where the cauliflowers are. We put, I think our cauliflower, yes, or our broccoli. We put 2 here as well. We placed 2 by the cucumbers. Right. I'm gonna give you guys a walkthrough again soon of everything that's in the garden again, because I don't remember seeing nothing like that. We put 1 here, 1 down here by the peppers. About 4 are in here where the cabbage are. No, not over here. So I forgot buy some more, definitely. Where the bell peppers are, we have 2, 1 here, 1 there. We have over here, 1 over there, and 1 right here. I don't think you guys can see it. Can you? Yeah. So 2 here where the shishito and jalapenos are. We have 1 by the corn, and we also have 1 by the habanero and cayenne peppers, and we have 1 by the poblano. So yeah, those are the spots that we've chosen for them, and we'll see if the line can run this far over here. If not, we're just gonna have to buy some more of the hose, and we'll definitely have to buy some more of those. So guys, just showing you how they look when they are on. So this is the red one, orange red, and some probably when you hear me say orange, sometime when you hear me say red. This is how it's looking. And then the blue ones, this is how they're looking. So it's really nice, really reliable. Now and then I turn on all the way, just barely like a drip drip drip. So I've done quite a few so far. Real nice. And I'll show you guys the other side soon. But yeah, so far so good. Probably put another one right here though. And over there. Probably. Alright guys, it's the next day and we've done a little bit more. We're seeing how much we can finish this morning, and then we'll see how much we can finish later again if we can't finish everything this morning. But we're going to try to put I'm not sure no which one, I'm not sure no. We're gonna try to put the ones that would mist or spray along here, straight to where the pink tiger crossbred with the Carolina Reaper are. So right along here we're gonna put them. So I go for them and show no me I talk about and can show now them to look. So this is it. I can set up like this. Mainly they set up for like flowers or anything that's in the air or anything like that. Or I can put it above or anything. I've seen these ones before. So this is how they spray. So we're gonna just work with this and see you can put them along here like that and stuff like that. So yeah, we're gonna use those, and this is how they're looking. So yeah, let's get it. These are doing good as well. I'll show you guys the other end in a bit, but these are doing really good. Over here, so the pressure kind of low, but I think I'm probably gonna unscrew them somewhere. Yes. This is free. Hi guys. So Anton, come over here. Anyway, so we got some plantains from one of our followers on TikTok. Her name is Rosie. We also got some seeds from her, some pumpkin, some squash, and some I would say red gungo.
No, red bean.
Red beans. And a guava plant, which go on our TikTok and you'll see the video of everything that we got from her and what we sent to her. Yeah. Let me show you guys the planting. So here are the suckers. So we're gonna plant them now and go and take care of them because we want planting them. Me personally not buying nothing for $300. guys, so we got one in, we got 2 more to go, but we're gonna do them off camera and then let you guys see them after, perhaps a day after or so. Yeah, angle that door. You, with all your cutty up, like the festivities are going without you yesterday. You did feel hot?
I want good start. You see me fight to the side. I want good start. I done. So that I want good drill. So I done something. See me I did run a killer build. This is done.
Alright guys, so what we're doing, I know I haven't been talking while we started. We are going to build our greenhouse. So these are what the sides?
Yeah.
They were the sides.
So you make it like shelves, thing like
Yeah.
that. Going
Yeah, man. I put some shelf. No, it's a wrap with that black color. But I make some shelf with like yaso, put the shelf well, and I put mesh wire upon it. So it water it can drain through.
So guys, we bought this on Amazon, so it is a 30%, I think it should be 30% shade. Not seeing it on here, but it is. That's what I ordered. I'll put the screenshot of what I ordered. We got some advice that this is the best one to use for our nursery. So we're gonna put this on the top of the structure right here, and around it we're gonna put some white rice looking bags. Let me see if I can find one straight. So here is the bag. It's really big. Yeah, and we have a couple of them, so we're just gonna put these around, you know, to give additional shade and so forth. So our nursery is coming along. We're gonna put shelves on the inside so we have additional space and stuff like that. So I can't wait for you guys to see the finished product. I don't know how much of this I'll be able to record and show you guys step by step what we did so far, but you're definitely gonna see the finished product. So stay tuned, guys. I'm trying to set this so you guys can see properly. Alright guys, so I'm going to give you a tour. While he's doing that, I'm going to give you guys a tour of the garden currently. So I'm going to start with the bell peppers. They are coming along, guys. We have some coming up. There's some coming up there. There were a lot of flowers, a lot of buds. You can see the purple one coming on fine. I think we have to spray it because I think the same thing that happened before is happening again, where we have mites. So we're going to use the miticide. We're also seeing these on our peppers. I don't know what them be. We're seeing them all over our peppers. I don't know where they are. But we have tried not coal, but ashes to see if it's a phosphorus deficiency. And then we'll continue watching from there. So let me show you guys the pink tiger mixed with the Carolina Reaper. They're going on well, not gonna lie. Can look and see, we're seeing the same thing on them, guys, the same. So check out some of the leaves. We hope the ashes help. If not, we're gonna go to H&L Agro and find out what else we can use. So as we said, we want to go strictly organic, so we're trying organic methods. So far no buds, new leaves though, and they're fluffing up, so that's good. The Carolina Reapers, however, they're starting to bud, so we should be seeing some peppers off these soon. We still haven't planted up here as yet, guys. You know, say we used to have corn, okra, and pumpkin along here. That down there is our compost. I'm not ready for showing inside it. It's still going through its phase. We have the spinach. We took off a lot of the leaves because they were dying. We know that it will fluff up soon again, because you guys remember when the bleach water was accidentally thrown near them and then they just dry up and they fluff up back, so we don't say it'll fluff up back. We also took off all of the fruits off it, which have the seeds. Let me see if I can focus it for you guys. Yeah, so we took off the seeds. We're gonna plant some more, just like how we planted some here, and we gave away quite a few. Right, we have the mint, that's already the basil, mint. We have a papaya. We don't know which are there, so but we'll make it stay. Oregano, mint, papaya, no papaya, passion fruit over here. So them are gone, but them are go up in the tree, which we never want, but it's too late. We also have our cucumber patch going on quite fine. We still have to put some leaves at the base, and I think they're blossoming, so some of them blossoming. We also have our cauliflower patch. By the way, guys, remember when we said we didn't remember what this was? It's a bell pepper. Our tomatoes are going on okay. I'm seeing the flowers again yet, so still I'll wait to see. What am I again? Callaloo. We did harvest off of them just the other day. I made breakfast. I'll show you guys that. Show you guys a video of that. We have our other peppers over here. So we have Anaheim, some Scotchy, jalapeno, Hungarian, and more Anaheim. The Anaheims are so nice, guys. So nice. And then big, they're just baby ones. Then we have our cabbage patch, still going on lovely. And we have the one cucumber, and there we still put a stick so it can run on it. Our jalapenos, Scotchy, and shishitas are going on fine. We harvest a lot of them, except the Scotchy them. We're not getting enough for Scotch them yet, but they are budding, getting ready to give us some stuff. We have the corn patch, the corn head and plant. It might go on quite fine. And I hope you guys are recognizing the drip irrigation setup all over and how it's very different everywhere. We have our cayenne. Cayenne them really nice, guys. Okay. And our scotches that are right here. We also have some more shishito. The poblanos haven't given us anything as yet, but we do see flowers and buds and all of that. This is a jalapeno. We thought it was a poblano, but it's a jalapeno. I'm trying to over this, so but you know, the pink, the red spinach, the pear, all of the things is just a start. The planting suckers that Rosie gave us, they're going on fine. Feel like them catch. That one alone no worried about, but once it's not fully dead, it's not dead yet. So under the soil it is really wet because some kind of water still runs under it. I don't know if you guys can see like a little morass thing going on over there. So yeah, the eggplants, I don't know what's going on with them. So they will flower and the flowers fall off. I think it's some deficiency, because we not pay them in mind, really not pay them in mind. So if they bear, they bear. If not, it's whatever. In here now, guys, we have some lettuce seeded dash from it. So I'll just scoop it up and throw it in here. So as you can see, some of the lettuce them are grow. So we'll hope them come to something. These are the beets. I don't know when I'm gonna know them ready, but I just gonna leave them until I feel like they're ready. We need to remove this pear tree because it's, you know, getting too big. And we have the cracking peppers that are coming on. Only 4 out of this a pack. I'm not buying no more. Pray and hope these work out so I can plant back somewhere out of whatever I read. So yeah, that's our garden so far. We are planning to get some seedlings from Sheppy or Louis Scott on Saturday, so look out for that vlog. Yeah, happy new year to everyone, and continue watching this with us while we finish the greenhouse. It's a nursery. So right here, guys, he's measuring up to put where the shells are gonna be. So that one down there is already a shelf. Let me see if I can show you guys. So a shelf now make. And we have to have something to stop them stand on, but we're just measuring out where the shells are going to be. So we're doing them 1 foot, you say?
Yeah, 1 foot.
1 foot apart. I believe that's good enough space. And we'll make them come out a little bit so we can just have walking space in the middle. Just turn and fix and do whatever. If rain fall, we know so the water will just drop on them, which is good. We're also going to, whatever projects we have for this year now, guys. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. I feel like the first video is going to be long because I have another video that I'm editing, so I'm just going to add this to it and let you guys see what's going on regarding the drip irrigation, and then I roll in with this video and everything. So enjoy. Ooh. Alright guys, this is what we're having now. We're gonna stop here until we get staples so we can staple these together on the board and to put the bags around the rest of the perimeter. Here's going to be the entrance. I don't know if we're gonna put something here or we just make it stay as is, but this is what we're working with so far. This is giving tea. It's looking lovely. So yeah, so we're gonna start doing our own seedlings and hope we get the formula. So look out. And yeah, it's actually very sturdy, guys. I'm on above the bills, above the bills, alright.